Is this thing recording? I really hope this thing is recording. So today we're gonna be trying out this new ceramic seal by Low Auto Care. This is one of my friend's companies, so I'm gonna be, you know, making a test video since I do have new wheels, so might as well ceramic coat them if you couldn't tell by the title. So in today's video, we're gonna be taking two wheels, one wheel that has literally not been touched, and then another wheel that we're gonna apply the product on, and we're gonna compare the two and see, you know, if it does make an instant difference. And the point of doing this, if you're wondering, is so less brake dust and all these things that can be basically make your wheel dirty or even damage it. It could even protect it from, you know, getting little rock chips and stuff. This stuff will do. So basically, if any of you were sneakerheads back in the day, you saw those weird things that you would like spray onto your shoe, and then like even ketchup would literally just slip right off. That's kind of what ceramic seal is. So a lot of it is known to be used for cars and like on paint panels too, but you can also use them on wheels. So I'm really excited to put this on the new XXR wheels that I just got, as you guys saw in the last video. So let's get right to it. All right, so here we have the wheels. I guess we can coat it to the right side, and then we'll just leave this as the wheel that we didn't do anything to. And what we're gonna do is actually apply this ceramic seal onto this applicator that it actually is included with it, which is pretty sweet. I feel like a lot of cleaning products, they always make these separately, but these actually come with your product, which is sweet. So basically what we're gonna do is follow the instructions on the back, which is basically apply it onto the applicator. So you put the ceramic seal onto the applicator, and then you take the applicator and you apply it to the wheels and try to get as much as you can with this fat thing. I mean, if you do have smaller or better items to reach into these hard to reach areas, go ahead and feel free to use those, but this is like a nice microfiber thing, so I'll just use it and try this out. Another thing, once we have put them on, we have to let it kind of like settle in for about like 45 seconds to a minute. So after we do that, I guess I'll do maybe 2 coats or just one is okay, I don't know, and then we'll do the water test, so we'll see how much the water sticks to this. Quick discretion, since the wheels are new, there is a good chance that you really won't be able to tell the difference. So in actuality, I'll be able to tell the difference after driving and seeing like, yo, this wheel that doesn't have any ceramic coating has way more brake dust than this one that we applied brake dust to. That we applied the ceramic seal to. The reason for that is because, like I said, this makes everything slip right off of it. So even though I'm not gonna let any of my wheels be put onto this car without being ceramic coated, which is, that would be idiotic, but that's what I'm trying to say, is like the before and afters might not be as accurate as they would have been if this was a really used, messed up, like not messed up, but like, you know, dirty wheel, because this is already so clean, so it might not show exactly, but we'll see. Hopefully it does do the trick, because I've seen this work on the body panels, and I know this stuff works, so I just want to be able to visualize and show you guys it actually working. Okay, so I just tried my best to put the camera up where you guys can see it. I guess that's gonna work pretty well. So basically what we're gonna do is just take the ceramic seal and spray it onto the applicator, and then try to get it into all the spots, and then pick the wheel up. And also you want to get this area, the whole actual barrel, because this is where all the brake dust is going to be at the most. I'm gonna try my best to get like every inch and every angle of it, but obviously I can only do so much with this gigantic sponge. But it is very squeezable, and you can really fit this into hard to reach spots, but you know, you can only do so much. Make sure I get everything. I don't want to miss a spot. Quickly time lapse this for you guys. It's made my wheels so shiny. They're like actually matte bronze, but it makes it look like gloss bronze right now. And because, you know, you just applied it, you have to give it some time to dry, but it's kind of cool. All right, and now to do the barrel. I don't want to pick it up from there, but I have no choice. This stuff actually smells pretty good too, I'm not gonna lie. I can literally feel how slippery it is now. You know, like when you use a product and you can just tell it works, and then you just trust it, and that's the only product you use from then on? That's literally what I feel like this is, like, honestly. Now, so that is just one coat. I could already tell that the wheel is a little bit glossier, so it's like it looks oilier in a way, even though it's not oil. It's just like, it feels so much slippery. I can't wait to do the water test. So alrighty, that looks much better. So I'm gonna show you guys quickly, really fast. All right, so check out the wheel we just coated. I hope you guys are able to see, and then check out the uncoated wheel. I don't know if the camera is really gonna show the difference, but I'm gonna just go like that. Maybe go like that. You guys can tell in person, you can literally see it. Like this one looks a lot more flat and matte, which is how it is, versus this one. This one looks a little bit deeper now because of the coating and because it just recently got coated. But if it, you know, once it dries up, it'll look exactly like that, but it'll have the effect of what this has. But yeah, that's pretty cool. So now once that you are done coating it and you sit and wait like 45 seconds or a minute or so, whichever one you want, whichever one you feel comfortable doing, just not too long, because obviously you gotta wipe it down. But once you've done that, you can go ahead and test it out with some water or anything that you feel that you can test it with and see if it really does the trick. Okay, so I just had to run back to my house and grab the water bottles because I forgot them. I brought two just in case we don't have enough, and also because I am a little thirsty. But now that it's sat for a little bit longer, it does look a lot more matte now, which is fine. But this still does look a little bit glossier, which is good. So that means the product sticks. And by the way, for those of you that are wondering, and I feel like I forgot to mention this, it lasts up to 6 months, and then you can just coat them again. So that's pretty cool. 6 months, a very long time. That's like a whole 2 seasons. So that's really cool. So basically, what we're gonna do now is do the water test. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do it with them laying flat like that first, and then I'll stand them up and lean them on my bumper, which I don't think is a good idea, but whatever, we'll see if that's okay. And then we'll see how it drips down, and hopefully, you know, we get to see the difference live. So let's do this. Let me just open this up. Don't ask how I'm holding the camera. All right, so non-coated wheel, water test. All right, so it's really hard to tell, but you can see how the water, it does slip off, but look, you know, it's not beating, but it's not bad either, because remember, it's a brand new wheel. It hasn't even been mounted onto my cars yet. All right, and then let's try the coated wheel. Bro, yeah, I can literally tell the difference. I hope the camera shows it. Look at that, look at that, look. Look at how it comes, but it like evaporates. It literally, like, it doesn't have a place to stay. It doesn't have a place to sit. I'm gonna have to use the second water bottle, but that's crazy. Look at that, it's literally evaporating. That is so cool. Holy shit. That is sick. So look at that. Even though I put more water on this one, you can tell that it's not sitting and chilling on the wheel, which is huge. So let's just do the quick stand-up test too. All right, now let's just do this wheel first. Actually, let's just do, whatever. But you look at that. There's literally, okay, let's just do this wheel first. Look at that. I don't know if the camera shows it because it's so wide angle, but see, that's still not bad, but look how much water is like still on the wheel, whereas this almost looks dry still. Like that, man, I really hope the camera shows it, because I don't want to look like an idiot and seem like I'm just like gassing it up or hyping it up for no reason, because I'm not. You literally see the difference right there, right in front of you, but I don't know if the camera shows it. But anyways, so now that I just applied the ceramic seal onto the wheel, I definitely would recommend it, because I can just tell, look at that, it's so smooth, it's still like dry. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but this feels like a normal like wet wheel. This feels like dry. So that's really cool. Definitely can't wait to put all of the ceramic seal onto my other wheels, because I really want to rock this stuff, because this wheel is known for chipping paint. So the ceramic seal is really going to protect it from that, and I really need that in my life, because I'm not trying to have chipped wheels, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, guys, if you're interested in this product, feel free to check it out in the description. I will leave a link, and if I work out some kind of discount code with the owner, I will leave that in the description as well. I haven't worked that out yet, so I can't just say like, oh, if you want so much % off, use my coupon code, because I don't have one yet. But anyways, once I get that, I will put that in the description. But anyway, guys, that pretty much does this video. Let me know what you think of this wheel cleaner, and let me know if you are actually interested in seeing more videos like this, aka detailing or cleaning videos. For those of you that are detailing guys, I would definitely recommend you add this to your wheel or car care arsenal. I think this stuff is bomb. It really does work, and I love it when I buy a product that actually works. But anyway, guys, that pretty much does this video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Peace out.